Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the game mode on your Minecraft game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Minecraft game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu, from which you can directly start playing your game by tapping on the enter button or clicking on the play option at the bottom left. Now, before you start your game, if you wish to change the game mode between offline and online mode, then you can either tap on the shift button within your keyboard to directly switch between the two, or you can also click on the change button at the bottom left. From here you can either choose between offline and your online game mode. Click on whichever game mode you prefer, and after choosing this you can click on start game, and this will now begin your game right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your game mode on Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.